You see, too much electricity in Ghana. Make them they just waste the electricity anyhow. How can you tell me this how they use AC? Ghanaians. How can you tell me this how they use AC?
Yeah, so guys, you see this building trending with AC fixed at the back. In fact, it is kind of yes, nah, it's good. I understand where the guy commenting about it is coming from. You see, Nigeria no power ni nyina so sa nti omo hu bibi say ya na ye omo nwa say ade nti na ye waste energy. That energy is not wasted. The guy has his money and he made a choice. He made a decision where to fix that or where to invest his money. Nti ene de baby a odu sika beshi bia no and one say you make sure say you get good returns, you get something like profitable from it. So I don't see anything wrong with the guy fixing AC on Atakwame building. Atakwame na nkasa no chale ade bi a woda according to ye na nanom no woda mu cha unyi nche ma unyi nche pa sa building no you good clean na wo di see ni nti no when you are living in that room or that building, it's very good. Mad house. It's kind of so cool, So I don't see the reason why the guy will be saying, "Say we are wasting energy." The guy is wasting. It's not wasted. That energy is never wasted. Life is choices. Where you prefer to put your money, that is where you invest. Thank you.
Echoes Chamber Studio.